play Android games on your computer, you'll need to download a software called Bluestacks. So here's how it goes. If you don't want to miss out on my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks! So guys, how do you download Bluestacks? It's actually really simple. You just need to go to the Bluestacks website. I'll include this in the description below. So you just need to download this. Click this green button here, download Bluestacks. It's 410 MB. After that, it will start downloading. After you download, it usually pops up in your downloads folder. So here it is, Bluestacks. And if you double click it, there you go, there will be an installer. So I would click yes, but since I have Bluestacks already in my computer, it will only show this. So you guys can just easily say yes to everything and read the terms of agreement properly. So after that's installed, click on your Bluestacks. Wait for it to load. It usually takes a while for this to load, so you need to be patient. Alright, so once Bluestacks is active, as you can see, I have Ragnarok and Eternal Love here already, but if it's your first time, this would usually be blank. So like I said, it acts like your cell phone, so you'll have to download the games that you want. So go to Google Play Store, and here you can see all of the mobile games available on, well, what you can see on your phone. So for example, I'd like to I'm playing Ragnarok, so Ragnarok and Eternal Love, and enter. And there you go. I have, like I said, I already have Ragnarok Eternal Love, so you'll have to install it, and you'll have to download it, then install it. Now let's talk about how you can play with multiple accounts. So that's very simple. You just go here, click in more apps. Then you can see here camera, browser, Android settings, media manager, instance manager, and help center. Now you have to click instance manager. So as you saw earlier, I have 3 accounts, so I have 3 instances. Okay, so if you want to add another instance, you can just click new instance, then create a new account. I'll just name this for video instance and click create. Once it's loaded, it would look something like this. You have to choose your language. So if you have a different language, you can easily change it here. So mine's English, so let's go. And it's loading again. Okay, so once it's loaded, you'll need to have an email. So for example, you want to play with 3 accounts, you'll have to provide 3 email addresses. So I'll put in mine. Next, and it will ask for your password. Okay, so once everything is set up, you'll have to agree to the terms of service. Just click I agree, and another loading screen. After all of that, you'll have a blank instance. You'll need to download again the new app that you want. So if you want to play with 3 Ragnarok accounts, you can you need to download it here again. Okay, so let's talk about the speed setting of each game. So if you go to the settings button in the upper right corner, click settings. See, there's a lot of options here, but let's go here at the engine. Here you can actually change the speed of or the quality of your gameplay. So you can choose the graphics mode from DirectX to OpenGL. You can choose the CPU cores. So it depends on how fast your computer is when you adjust this CPU cores. So I usually just use 2, and memory is 1100 megabytes. So after you set this up, you'll need to restart. Okay, so restarting, it takes a lot of time. Now let's just wait for that. So if you want to start a lot of instances, make sure that your computer can handle it. So here are all my instances right now. So Bluestacks, this is running, this is not running. Okay, so I'll have to start this. Okay, so let's put this here. Let's put this here. Okay, so once everything is running, you just click everything, well, except for our sample here. Let me just minimize it. So I have the volume out, so I'll just increase this and confirm. I'll increase this too, and I'll increase this too. Okay, so it's still loading. There you go, that's one. So there you go, guys, 3 accounts up and running.